Up here in North Star, we're gonna take the dinghy out and see if we can find Cynthia. She's out here somewhere, and just take some pictures. See, I got my new dinghy shoes on. Yeah, walk on the water, got some toes in there. Yeah, so now we're over here. North Star's back over that way. And I'm trying to get over here out of the wind. So I come over this way. It's so shallow now that I have to walk the dinghy. I don't see Cynthia anywhere, but I'm here somewhere. Anyway, there's very little wind here now, where it was blowing every place else. There's an egret fishing over there. See how green it is? Oh, it's just so green and lush here. Yeah, you think it doesn't, but they got a lot of rain, enough rain anyway to make all that green, all the way up to the top here. Coming up here to shoreline, and of course it's real rocky right here, and pitch the dinghy up here, maybe on this rock. So it's not going to go anywhere for a while, and maybe even tie a rope up here. North Star out there, and a little bit out of the wind. We still have a little bit of wind here, strangely enough. It seems like it just kind of comes right around the corner there. Fills in everywhere. Looks like some kind of a bird of prey there. Alright, that's the Caleta Partida. Caleta Partida parts this island over here from what is really a separate island here. And there's just this little cut that goes between. Yeah, so we're walking the dinghy some more. Beautiful turquoise colors here. I don't know if they're coming through. Just walking along here. We're really out of the wind here. A little bit of wind ripples you can see here on the water, but there's just nothing. And I guess the tide is either out or going out. You can see the line, it's low. And we had one boat leave and then another one came in. So look down there where North Star is, there's 4 boats there now. Before there were 3. I spy Cynthia out there. There she is. You know, we can meet up with a little rendezvous over here. Maybe she'll come over here where there's no wind. More walking. Coming around to the point here. Looks like Cynthia's working her way this way. Yeah, so here's Cynthia, here's this kind of eastern edge of the bowl, and there's a little fishing camp over yonder. 3 or 4 or 5 pangas over there. They hang out until the next good fishing period. They all go out and fish. There's Cynthia. Found her over here. Got her kayak going today. Needs a sail on there, and man, he'd be going like crazy, although you go like crazy as it is. I come over here to get out of the wind, and then I was looking for you. Yeah? Did you go all the way to the other side? Nice. Anything interesting? Ooh, nice shell. Wow, that's a big one too. The fishing camp, I saw maybe like 4 or 5 pangas over there. They're all siesta now. One boat left and another one came in. Anchored over there by us. Alright, back in the water again. And we're going to head back to North Star. The wind is a lot less out here now than it was when we first arrived. There's Cynthia. Hi to Cynthia. And it's quite pleasant out here, really. There's a fish camp over there. So Cynthia went all the way out. There's like she said, it's only 4 inches deep right now because it's kind of low tide, and you can go to the other side. She did that with her kayak. Alright, here we come into North Star. And then we'll manage to get over here and grab a hold of the line. Okay, we're back on North Star, and Cynthia's still paddling over this way. When it's done, she'll be here. We're tied up. And, get an icy drink.